So step one is getting set up with your IDE or your integrated development environment. You are going to go to whatever web browser you like to use and you're going to type in VS Code. You'll see a link like this, you're going to hit it, and then you're going to download for whatever platform you're on. I'm on a Mac, so that's why I hit download for Mac OS, but if you're on Windows, you should see an option that's set up for Windows. If you're having difficulty finding the right download link, you can feel free to leave a comment for me in the Skool community, and I'm happy to help you troubleshoot. But that being said, this step is kind of like downloading any type of app from the internet. I wouldn't worry too much on the actual processor version, but whatever pops up first is totally fine for the purposes of this first project. So you may have seen that when I hit download, it popped up here in this corner. I'm going to click on that now. And it's quite cute. You can see Visual Studio Code, and it's telling me to move it into my applications folder. So I'm going to drag and drop it like so. I previously already downloaded Visual Studio Code, so that's why I'm seeing this pop-up that says that something already exists. In your case, since it'll be your first time downloading it, you're not going to see it. In this case, I'm not going to replace it because it already exists on my computer. Okay, so great. Congratulations. You've downloaded your first IDE. Now the time comes to search for it. So you saw I have Visual Studio Code here. And it's going to populate. Great. Okay, so what does this look like? It is offering me to use AI features with Copilot for free. It's also asking me to choose my theme, and it's presenting different video tutorials. We are going to set up the coding assistant after, so you can skip this for now. And you can come back to watch the video tutorials later. So I would just say next section. Again, these are just settings. These are just settings. This is the extensions part that I was telling you about that we'll be setting up. This is explaining that there is a built-in terminal. And this is explaining how you can set up with Git. So all of these are not necessary to use the application. I would just mark all of them as done for now, so you can see the fresh view. So what you can do now is create a new file. So let's say I want to create a text file. I can say, hello, I am a text file. And I can save this and call this my first text file, txt. Great. It is accessible on my desktop. And I can click on it and open it like that.